To create an email template in Brevo, start by going to the Brevo website and selecting the email option on the left side, where all your email campaigns will be displayed. Click on Create an Email Campaign and enter the campaign name. Then choose from the two create options, regular or A/B test. After pressing Create Campaign, it will be created, and you can proceed to click the Manage Sender button. Add an email address and the name of your sender. Then save and select the Add Receipts button. Enter the recipients of your campaign and add folders. Add details and click the Save button. Next, click on Add Subject and enter the subject line, followed by the preview text, and select the Save button. To create your email content, select Start Designing and choose from the many available templates. You can edit the template as desired and set up your brand automatically by saving the brand assets on the left side. Utilize the various tools available to make your template impressive, such as dragging and dropping a payment link into the template. After customizing the template, click the Save and Quit button at the top. Then click Schedule to schedule it. Preview and test your template by clicking the Preview and Test button. And you can even send a test to others by clicking the corresponding option. Once you have completed these steps, you will have successfully created an email template in Brevo.